Today we have an iPhone 8 Plus. Customer tried to replace the screen, but now the home button is not working. After checking all these home buttons that the customer brought in, all of them are broken. Let's look under the microscope and see if the parts are really broken. From where is the customer getting the home buttons from? I have no idea.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna
Customer has brought in another home button. This home button looks okay, so we are going to try to install it. We have now tried to install 5 different home buttons. The customer have spent close to $100 in these home buttons. And the customer have decided not to fix the phone and buy a new phone. So we are just going to leave the phone the way it is and return the phone to the customer. Well guys, this is the end of the video. If you like what you saw, make sure you click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.